Top 5 Refrigerator Set 22. Discover the best products for your home. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. EUHOMY 130 Can Beverage Cooler, Black. Looking for the perfect beverage cooler? The EUHOMY 130 Can Beverage Cooler in sleek black outperforms similar models with superior cooling efficiency, quiet operation, and a compact, space-saving design. Ideal for home, office, or dorm, it chills up to 130 cans with adjustable shelves and a reversible door. Compared to bulkier coolers, EUHOMY offers better energy efficiency and a modern aesthetic. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to navigate between items and select the department, like home and kitchen, to explore more. Enjoy reliable performance and stylish convenience. Upgrade your refreshment storage with EUHOMY, where innovation meets everyday utility. Number 4. Simple Deluxe 4L Mini Fridge, Cooler and Warmer. The Simple Deluxe 4L Mini Fridge, Cooler and Warmer stands out from similar items with its compact design, reliable thermoelectric cooling, and dual-function heating capability. Perfect for dorms, offices, or bedrooms, it cools up to 36 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature and warms up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for snacks, drinks, or beauty products. Compared to bulkier models, it's lightweight, energy efficient, and whisper quiet. Easily navigate product details using your keyboard's up or down arrows. We deliver to Kansas City 66117 with fast, reliable shipping. Shop confidently with trusted support and seamless checkout. Select your preferred department, beauty and personal care, automotive, or more, for a tailored browsing experience. Upgrade your space with Simple Deluxe's smart, portable refrigeration today. Number 3. Simple Deluxe 4L6 Can Mini Fridge, Pink. Brighten your space with the Simple Deluxe 4L6 Can Mini Fridge in vibrant pink. Perfect for dorm rooms, offices, or bedrooms. Compact yet powerful, it cools up to 612 ounces cans efficiently, outperforming bulkier models with its sleek, space-saving design. Unlike similar mini fridges, it operates quietly and energy efficiently, ideal for 24/7 use. Easily navigate product options using your keyboard's up and down arrows for a seamless shopping experience. We deliver right to Kansas City 66117. Whether you're storing drinks, snacks, or beauty essentials, this fridge combines style and function. Found in the beauty and personal care department, it's a must-have for modern living. Upgrade your convenience today with Simple Deluxe, where practicality meets personality. Number 2. Simple Deluxe 4L Mini Fridge, Cooler and Warmer. The Simple Deluxe 4L Mini Fridge, Cooler and Warmer stands out with its compact design, energy efficiency, and dual cooling/warming function. Perfect for dorms, offices, or bedrooms. Compared to similar mini fridges, it offers reliable temperature control and quiet operation. Easily navigate product details using your keyboard's up or down arrows. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117. For assistance, our support team is ready to help with any address or order concerns. Explore top-rated appliances in our dedicated department. Whether storing snacks, skincare, or beverages, this fridge delivers convenience and style. Choose Simple Deluxe for quality you can trust. Compact size, big performance. Number 1. Brand X 126 Can Beverage Cooler, Silver. Outshine the competition with the Brand X 126 Can Beverage Cooler in sleek silver. Perfect for parties, offices, or game rooms. Unlike bulky coolers or limited-capacity fridges, this compact powerhouse holds up to 126 cans, keeping drinks chilled without taking up space. Easily navigate product options using your keyboard's up or down arrows. We proudly deliver to Kansas City 66117. Fast and reliable. Whether you're shopping in arts, crafts and sewing, automotive, beauty, or audible books, Brand X stands out. Built for convenience and style, this cooler is your go-to solution for organized, cold refreshments. Upgrade your beverage storage today with Brand X, where performance meets modern design. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.